Dear students, finally the wait is over. The date of NEET 2021 is finally announced by NTA yesterday. So let's see the full notification. So here you can see that the National Testing Agency has published the full notification regarding the NEET UG 2021. And in the mid of the notification you can see the most important part, that is NEET UG 2021 will be conducted in 11 languages including Hindi and English through pen and paper mode on 1st August 2021 on Sunday. So the date has been declared, that is the 1st August 2021 the NEET examination will be held. Okay, and in the next paragraph you can see that the information bulletin containing detailed information regarding the test syllabus, eligibility criteria for age reservation, categorization of seats, examination fee, cities of examination, state code, etc. will be available shortly on the website that is provided here when the submission of the application form starts. So the full application process of the NEET 2021 will be start very shortly, and every information you can get from the official website of the NEET. So here the NTA has said that the candidates who desire to appear in NEET UG 2021 are advised to keep visiting the website. Here two websites are given, and beside the websites you can also check our YouTube channel Bioholic for the all further notifications, and for that you just have to subscribe our channel. We will provide all the informations, all the essential informations regarding NEET 2021. Okay, so stay with us for all the informations and all the mock tests for your better preparation, and good luck to all the NEET aspirants. See you very soon. Stay tuned with Bioholic.